The majestic elephant, a symbol of strength and wisdom. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, are remarkable creatures known for their intelligence, memory, and social complexity. There are two main species of elephants, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are divided into two subspecies, the savanna, or bush, elephant and the forest elephant. Asian elephants have several subspecies, including the Indian, Sri Lankan, and Sumatran elephants. African elephants are generally larger, with adult males standing up to 12 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds. Asian elephants are smaller, with males reaching up to 10 feet in height and weighing between 6,000 to 11,000 pounds. Elephants are distinguished by their large ears, tusks, and trunks. African elephants have larger ears that resemble the shape of the African continent, which help them regulate their body temperature. In contrast, Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears. Both species use their tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth, for digging, foraging, and defense. Unfortunately, these tusks make them targets for poachers seeking ivory. The trunk, a fusion of the upper lip and nose, is one of the most versatile and sensitive organs in the animal kingdom. It contains over 40,000 muscles, allowing elephants to perform a wide range of tasks, from picking up tiny objects to lifting heavy logs. Elephants live in complex social structures, typically comprising female-led herds. These herds are matriarchal, led by the oldest and often largest female, known as the matriarch. The matriarch plays a crucial role in the herd, using her experience and memory to lead them to water sources, food, and safe habitats. The social bonds within elephant herds are incredibly strong. Members show deep care and cooperation, helping each other with tasks such as caring for young calves, protecting the herd from predators, and mourning deceased members. Male elephants, or bulls, usually leave the herd upon reaching puberty, around the age of 12 to 15. They either live alone or form small bachelor groups. Male elephants are known to experience periods of heightened testosterone and aggression called must, which is associated with reproductive competition. During must, males become more dominant and may engage in intense battles with rivals to gain access to females in estrus. Elephants are renowned for their intelligence, often compared to that of primates and cetaceans. They exhibit behaviors such as tool use, self-awareness, empathy, and problem-solving. Elephants have an excellent memory, which aids in navigation and remembering social bonds. They can remember the locations of water sources and feeding grounds over vast distances and many years. Elephants also communicate using a range of vocalizations, body language, and even seismic signals. They produce infrasonic sounds that can travel long distances, allowing them to communicate with other elephants beyond the range of human hearing. The diet of elephants consists primarily of plant matter, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruit. They spend up to 16 hours a day foraging and can consume between 200 to 600 pounds of food daily. Due to their large size and high food intake, elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are considered keystone species due to their significant impact on the environment. By uprooting trees and creating water holes, they shape landscapes and create habitats for other species. Their dung is also an important source of nutrients for soil and provides food for a variety of organisms, including insects and fungi. Despite their ecological importance and revered status in many cultures, elephants face significant threats from habitat loss and poaching. The expansion of human populations and agricultural activities has led to the fragmentation and degradation of elephant habitats. This, in turn, results in increased human-elephant conflict, as elephants raid crops and come into closer contact with human settlements. Poaching for ivory remains a severe threat, driven by illegal wildlife trade and demand for ivory products. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival. Various strategies have been implemented to safeguard elephant populations, including anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and community-based conservation programs. Protected areas and wildlife corridors are established to provide safe habitats and facilitate the movement of elephants between fragmented landscapes. Additionally, education and awareness campaigns aim to reduce demand for ivory and promote coexistence between humans and elephants. Elephants, majestic giants of the animal kingdom. Elephants are truly magnificent creatures, standing as some of the largest and most powerful animals on Earth. These gentle giants are renowned for their intelligence, complex social structures, and impressive physical capabilities. There are three main species of elephants: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Each species has unique characteristics and behaviors that make them fascinating subjects for study and admiration. Physical characteristics. Elephants are easily recognizable by their massive bodies, large ears, long trunks, and tusks. African bush elephants are the largest, with males weighing up to 12,000 pounds and standing up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Their ears are large and shaped like the African continent, helping them regulate their body temperature in the hot savanna. In contrast, African forest elephants are smaller, with more rounded ears and straighter tusks. Asian elephants are slightly smaller than their African counterparts, with smaller, rounded ears and a single finger-like projection at the tip of their trunks. Intelligence and behavior. Elephants are highly intelligent animals, known for their exceptional memory, problem-solving abilities, and complex social behaviors. They have large brains relative to their body size, with a highly developed hippocampus, which is involved in emotion and memory. Elephants are capable of empathy, self-awareness, and even mourning their dead. They use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and infrasound to communicate with each other over long distances. Social structure. Elephants live in matriarchal societies, with groups typically led by the oldest and most experienced female. These family units are tightly knit, consisting of related females and their offspring. Males leave the group upon reaching adolescence and may form loose bachelor groups or live solitarily. The matriarch plays a crucial role in guiding the group, finding food and water, and teaching younger members vital survival skills. Habitat and diet. Elephants inhabit diverse environments, from the savannas and deserts of Africa to the dense forests of Asia. They are herbivores, consuming a varied diet that includes grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. Due to their large size, elephants need to eat vast amounts of food daily, sometimes consuming up to 300 pounds. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems by dispersing seeds through their dung, which helps maintain the health and diversity of their habitats. Conservation status. Despite their grandeur, elephants face numerous threats that have led to significant declines in their populations. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for ivory are some of the primary challenges they encounter. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect these majestic creatures, involving anti-poaching measures, habitat preservation, and community engagement. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to ensure that future generations can continue to admire and learn from these incredible animals. Elephants in culture and history.